Hush.
Literally from the movie, bro. That shit's wrong. All right, y'all, bro. So now I'm gonna show you guys because I was low-key struggling to even get them to even stick on. So I don't even want to drive my car with this shit out like this, bro. I actually want to get it actually on. But I'm gonna show you guys some things that I don't like, some things that I do like. You see, I got my freaking heater on. I'm already cold, bro, and I'm already like annoyed messing with it. So this is gonna tell you exactly how it is gonna be like when I actually need to work on it and I actually want to work on it, bro. And when I actually plan to work on it, it's gonna be a little doozy, bro. Because already I'm noticing, I don't know if that's on this side as well, that this is like this. Well, that probably is like that in the video, like in the pictures. I'm probably gonna look at that as well. But that is like that. I don't know if it needs to get cut, if this bottom part needs to get cut so I could put it inside and it looks more flush. And then this part right here overlaps this bumper, and then that line like, and then it curves like with this light right here. Like don't get me wrong, the design looks really good and it's for this kit. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Yeah, it's just probably a little bit of tweaks, minor tweaks that I have to do to fit it on. So like it's gonna take longer than I expected. But once again, this is just taking delivery of this, and this is just mocking it up, bro. So don't expect nothing crazy, bro. My phone is actually about to die as well, so I'm gonna try to make this fast. But the front end is low-key decent, bro. I have no complaints for the front end, not that much. Maybe about this part, but once again, this is gonna take a little bit of tweaking. But other than that, bro, it's just a riv nut right there, bro. We are gonna be riv nutting these in, but it does look really good, bro. It looks like it's about to look like a damn beast after I get it on. I have to definitely figure out how I'm going to get this on, bro. That's gonna be the biggest part. Here, let me open this real quick. Let me open up the garage so you guys can get a little better look at it. And then after that, I'm gonna just end the video, bro. and it's gonna be installing it next time, bro, because installing it is gonna be the most annoying part and the hard part, bro. But you guys see it on there right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro. Do you see the fitment? Nah, bro. I was gonna low-key raise my car a little bit, but this makes me wonder, like, do I really want to raise it? Should I raise it? Oh my gosh, y'all. So hold on, let me throw this bag out the way, bro. I know it's making the fucking video ugly. Goodness. But bro, showing it from the front to the back here. Let me roll my car up. Let me see if I could do that, like with y'all right here. Yes, I can. Look. All right. And once again, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, JoJo Cars. Make sure I do that shit, bro. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try to look from the back. Y'all see that, bro? This wide body is perfect, bro. And these are like basically stock rims. Hold on. These are like basically like stock rims, F1Rs, bro. You guys see how much it pokes out, bro? I just need a rim or some rims that poke out just a little bit more. I love this wide body for that reason. So I honestly get some like some solid 10s, or like I don't know what size I would have to get, but some custom wheel maybe. Or if anyone knows any wheel suggestions that I could get that will poke me out just a little bit, that looks like 2 inches. Don't tell me to get spacers, because I won't do it, bro. But y'all see that wide body, bro? Oh my gosh, bro. This is gonna look so, bro. I love that little cut, bro. That little cut in the wheel, bro, is gonna look so nasty, especially when the wheel goes more out, bro. When I put the wheel more out, it's gonna look so nasty, bro. It's gonna look perfect. But we actually do have those rims to put on as well, bro. So that's another thing, bro. So, bro, but this car, hold on. Let me stand back over here. Oh, my gosh. Dude, I just dropped my phone again, bro. Oh, my gosh. Look how that looks, bro. That looks wicked, bro. I'm going to show it from the front, bro. My phone's dying once again. And then this video is going to get ended by me, bro. So, all right, y'all. So my iPhone, I mean, not my iPhone, bro. My Samsung and my DJI started to die. So I'm sorry if this looks like bad quality, because I sent it over to my phone just for editing. But I'm just gonna finish the video on my iPhone, bro. But y'all see how it looks, bro. Oh my gosh. If y'all want to check out like more videos of me messing with it and all that little stuff, bro, make sure you guys check out my TikTok, bro. JoJo Cars. Everything's JoJo Cars, bro. So if y'all want to find me on anything, make sure I check it out. But now I'm low-key gonna take off my fenders. Yeah, the flares, bro, or whatever, the wide body kit, bro. I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna go post some content, bro. So y'all subscribe to the channel. Once again, JoJo Cars, bro. And while you're there, bro, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to follow TikTok and follow the Instagram, bro. We got everything right there, bro. But I'm actually gonna just rip these off because they were gonna fall off if I just leave them on. I don't want them to just fall off and then just break just like that. So I'm trying to make sure that I have everything cool. And yeah, bro. So y'all just stay in tune to what you see. What you see is what you get, bro. I don't know when I'm gonna be installing these because I definitely want to take my time. But it's definitely gonna happen at a certain point in time. So, bro, yeah, you guys just stay in tune. Till then, subscribe to the channel, JoJo Cars. I got nothing left to say, bro. I don't want to really like drag this video on too crazy more long, and it's just really just an unboxing and all that stuff, bro. Because me figuring out is gonna take a while more. So I'm gonna push my car back in. And